Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Vaidehi from Project Ladli and I am going to take you towards the volunteer orientation today, and all your steps would be mentioned and all your doubts also would be cleared by the end of this session. So it would be around 30 to 35 minutes that I will be presenting you, and then we'll have a question and answer round. आई हूँ आपके साथ एक जर्नी पे जहाँ पे हम आपको वॉलंटियर या इंटर्नशिप के बारे में सारी जानकारी देंगे और आपको क्या क्या काम करना है उस बारे में बताएंगे. So my name is Vaidehi from Project Ladli and I'll be taking you through this volunteer orientation. Okay, so I will be talking in English and Hindi both so that everybody can understand. और so you all have applied for internship through Internshala or through social media for Project Ladli leaders. This is the post that we've been giving you. So you are a volunteer intern with us. तो आपकी journey से होने वाली है. Just let's take a snapshot. So we are proud to be associated with Internshala, who is helping us raise very good interns and volunteers for this project. And this Project Ladli is an initiative by Pagaria Welfare Foundation, which is a Section 8 company and NGO based out of Navi Mumbai. ये एक नवी मुंबई का एक NGO है जो हेल्थ एजुकेशन और डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर काम करता है, और ये प्रोजेक्ट लाडली उनका स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट है जो स्पेशली वुमेन्स और गर्ल्स पे फोकस करता है. सो दिस इनिशिएटिव ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट लाडली इज एन इनिशिएटिव बाय पगारिया वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन एंड वी हैव पार्टनर्ड विद इंटर्नशाला फॉर इंटर्नशिप. सो पगारिया वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन की CEO हूँ मैं, वैदेही पगारिया. By profession I am a chartered accountant and I like to do social work and I am a social change maker, and with this mission that I want to really help fulfill somebody's dream, we had started Pagaria Welfare Foundation with our tagline of सच करे सपने. So हमारी 4 core pillars हम देखते हैं. I will अभी आप अपने आप म्यूट नहीं कर पाएंगे till the time I present. Okay, so कुछ भी डाउट है तो you can just write it in the chat box. Okay, so what are the 4 pillars of Project Ladli? You should know it very well because that is important for you to know. और आप जब भी आप इंटर्न कर रहे हो तो आप किसके साथ इंटर्न कर रहे हो, क्यों इंटर्न कर रहे हो, क्या काम कर रहे हैं वो NGO, तो वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. Okay, so what are the 4 core pillars of these Project Ladli? So the first stands for menstruation, जहाँ पे हम माहवारी या periods या पाली जिसको बोलते हैं लोकल लैंग्वेज में, उसके ऊपर डील करते हैं. तो प्यूबर्टी के ऊपर और पीरियड्स के ऊपर, जहाँ पे हम अवेयरनेस सेशंस करते हैं और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं सैनिटरी पैड्स, प्रोडक्ट्स, टैम्पॉन्स, जो भी जरूरत है. तो मेंस्ट्रुएशन पे हमारा मेजर फोकस है प्रोजेक्ट लाडली में. एंड द एरिया ऑफ वेयर वी वर्क इज मोस्टली रूरल एंड ट्राइबल इंडिया. हम रूरल और ट्राइबल पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया के जो छोटे छोटे गांव है, टियर 3 सिटीज, टियर 2 सिटीज, वहां के लिए काम करते हैं और ट्राइबल एरियाज के लिए भी काम करते हैं. ओके, सेकेंड पिलर है हमारा मैरिज. So first pillar is menstruation, जिसको हम माहवारी भी बोलते हैं, और marriage. In marriage we support people जिनके पास financial problems है, शादी कराने के लिए problems होती है या उनको शादी के लिए कुछ सामान चाहिए होता है, वो arrange करते हैं. So that is our second pillar of marriage. And our third pillar is pregnancy, where we support nutrition care or medical help to the women who are pregnant, and also post pregnancy जो newborn baby है उसको कुछ भी अगर support चाहिए, maybe infant food or clothes, all that we try to support them in the, and all ये सारा काम हम prefer करते हैं that it happens in the rural or the tribal parts of India. And then we have women empowerment, where we try to empower the women locally, and also जो भी हम products हम menstruation के लिए, marriage के लिए, pregnancy के लिए लेते हैं, we try that we procure them from women itself or support the mahilas or the bachat girls who are there in the rural parts. So this is the idea which we have started the Project Ladli. So what are the 4 pillars of Project Ladli? If anybody asks you, और या Project Ladli क्या काम करता है, so हमारा सारा काम इन 4 areas में distributed है, that is menstruation, marriage, pregnancy and women empowerment. Okay, and this slide will be shared to you, don't worry about that. Moving on to next, वो आपको किस एरिया में काम करना है या आपको क्या काम करना है एज एन इंटर्न या वॉलंटियर, एज प्रोजेक्ट लाडली लीडर, आप क्या काम करेंगे हमारे साथ. सो द फर्स्ट वर्क विच यू हैव टू डू इज फंड रेजिंग, जिसको बोलते हैं आपको पैसे इकट्ठे करने हैं, पैसे जमा करने हैं. इट इज नॉट समथिंग कि आपको अपनी जेब से देने हैं, आपको लोगों से इकट्ठे करने हैं. आप आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन भी डाल सकते हैं, बट फंड रेजिंग टिपिकली मीन्स दैट यू रेज फंड्स फॉर अ कॉज. सो यहाँ पे हम मेंस्ट्रुएशन के लिए अभी हमने एक कैंपेन लगाया है विच इज कॉल्ड पैड्स फॉर लाडली. लाडली का मतलब होता है somebody जिसको हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं, या somebody who's loved and care. So what you need to do in fundraising is you need to raise funds for our campaign on Milap, which is Pads for Ladli, support Project Ladli. We will see this fundraising in detail. Second है networking. आपकी जो existing connections है, whatever connections you have right now, आपको उसको use करना है to create awareness, to create fundraising. So how to grow your existing network also. So when you are working with us, you are connected to at least 100-200 interns who have applied from Internshala too. तो आपको उनके भी connections मिल रहे हैं. You come to know about us. So this is how you grow and you do networking. And then we have content creation. So we'll be requesting you to create some simple contents like posters, flyers, manuals, जहाँ पे भी आप interested हो for any of our 4 pillars, जो हम आगे use कर सकते हैं. And then the last area is awareness, जहाँ पे आपको awareness create करनी है, knowledge बांटनी है, either online or offline depending what is the situation right now. Okay, so these are the 4 parts जहाँ पे आपको पूरी internship में काम करना है. During this duration of internship आपको fundraising, networking, कंटेंट क्रिएशन और अवेयरनेस, ये चारों पे काम करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ एक पे ही काम करूंगी, वो हम FAQs में आएंगे. ओके, so coming to the most important part of this internship, which is called fundraising. तो जहाँ पे हमने मिलाप करके एक वेबसाइट है, सोशल वेंचर है, जो क्राउड फंडिंग करती है. क्राउड फंडिंग, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्राउड फंडिंग? जहाँ पे यू आस्क पीपल इन द क्राउड टू डोनेट फॉर अ कॉज. सो इन दिस मिलाप क्राउड फंडिंग वी हैव मेड अवर ओन फंडरेजर, जिसका फोकस एरिया इज मेंस्ट्रुएशन. ओके, सो लेट मी गो थ्रू दिस लिंक फॉर यू. ओके, सो ये हमारा फंडरेजर है मिलाप पे, प्रोजेक्ट लाडली, पैड्स फॉर लाडली. सो हम 2 टाइप की पैड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए या डोनेट करने के लिए ये फंडरेजर डाले हैं. एक है रियूजेबल क्लॉथ पैड्स, ये रीपैड वाले, और एक है डिस्पोजेबल क्लॉथ पैड्स लाइक स्टे फ्री, विस्पर, 9, जो भी है. ठीक है, and then that we are going to do. So यहाँ पे आपको पूरा write up मिलेगा. So this link will be shared with you. This is the main fundraiser जो Project Ladli ने मिलाप पे डाला है. So this is our main fundraiser on मिलाप. You will get all the details कि how are we going to raise the funds, what are we going to distribute. 1000 रुपए में कोई डोनर कंट्रीब्यूट करता है तो उसको कितना चीज मिलेगा, और हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, वो भी लिखा है हमने, और वेबसाइट की भी डिटेल दी है. So all these details are mentioned in the fundraiser on Milap. Okay, so these we will be distributing 2 types of pad, because in the rural or the tribal areas, ladies, not all of them are comfortable using the disposable pads. Some of them still like to use the cloth pad. So that is why we have both the pads available with us, which we procure and send it to the areas where we want to donate or distribute. Okay. So focus area for this fundraiser as of now is menstruation, because वो सबसे important है in this pandemic times where menstrual hygiene and feminine hygiene is very important. और बहुत जरूरत है लड़कियों और ladies को भी pads की, तो हमने अभी menstruation पे focus किया है. In the later on we'll come up with more fundraisers for other core pillars. और एनी अमाउंट कोई भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकता है. तो आपको क्या करना है, और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हम कैसे करेंगे, हमारे लोकल पार्टनर्स हैं, एनजीओज हैं, शेल्टर होम्स हैं, और लाडली लीडर्स जो आप लोग हैं, हम आपके थ्रू भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करवाएंगे इफ वी फील दैट हम वहां पे जरूरत है. तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो आपको करनी है, क्रिएट करना है सपोर्ट फंडरेजर. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू एज पार्ट ऑफ योर फंडरेजिंग वर्क इज टू क्रिएट अ सपोर्ट फंडरेजर टू आवर मेन फंडरेजर. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन डू दिस. So you have to create an account with Milap, which can be done easily by having a mobile number, या Facebook या Google से आपको Milap एक login account create करना है. Okay, और यहाँ पे जाके support fundraiser, main fundraiser एकदम नीचे आप जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आता है create a support fundraiser. So what does this mean? You as an intern आप support कर रहे हो हमारे fundraiser के cause को. So when you click this, यहाँ पे बोला था 30, so आप उसको 30 रख सकते हो, 50 रख सकते हो, 10 रख सकते हो, no problem. 10 के नीचे this will not accept. You need your name. Why I am mentioning that आपका नाम लिखना जरूरी है, because we can track easily through your fundraiser link कि आपने कितना raise किया है. So maybe अगर जो जैन है, so प्रिया जैन और 1 2 3 whatever, आपको कोई भी स्पेस नहीं डालना है. स्पेस डालोगे तो एरर आएगा. Start with alphabet and have only alphabet, number and an hyphen. Okay, तो कुछ नहीं डालना है. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 जो भी आप डालोगे, once you submit, ये fundraiser generate हो जाता है. ये जो आपका लिंक है, ये आप customized link. So this link becomes your customized link for fundraising. Okay, is my voice audible now? So this link becomes your okay, Ujjwala, thank you. So this link becomes your customized link for your fundraiser. When you share this link, we can find out how much funds you have raised. So if you see, there are people here who have raised. So 54 people have already created support fundraiser for us, and with this support fundraiser, I can see कि कितना amount you have raised per person. Okay, uska hum video will also share a detailed video that how you can do the sub fundraising. So what is the minimum target for every intern who is interning with us? So the minimum target is rupees 3,000, which per Ladli leader. So it is not per day, it is not per month. It is जब भी हमारे साथ आप intern कर रहे हो for a period of 1 or 2 months, आपको minimum target 3,000 जो है वो achieve करना है. Okay, maximum is your choice. So maximum we have no limit. You can raise how much ever you want. That is very good on your part that you are raising funds for a good cause. Minimum targets that we have set considering all the factors that you guys are students, you are studying, you're not earning, you come from various cities. So we have set a target of 3,000 rupees. So if you are working with us for 1 month, which is minimum, so in 30 days, even if you raise 100 rupees per day, you can easily achieve this target. Okay, so 100 रुपया दिन का भी अगर आप लोगों से बात करके raise करते हो, so in 30 days you can easily achieve a target of rupees 3,000. Okay, so how you will fundraise, उसको कैसे करना है, वो हम सब we will say it in detail. It is not something that it has to be done in one day itself. No, every steps, every detail will be provided to you. This is just a background which I am trying to explain. Monica, is the voice okay right now? So how do we do the fundraising? Support fundraising सबसे पहले create करना है. Yanshi Rugani, I will unmute you after some time. Let me just finish this. Okay. So what is the core area for fundraising? As I explained you, we need to do a support fundraising. Support fundraising, after we do that, you have to connect through your connections on WhatsApp or whatever you feel, and then take screenshots of people who have done. And you can also do cash donations and share with us. You can be as creative as you want, or influencers को भी आप use कर सकते हो to raise funds. So these are some raw ideas where we are telling you that कैसे you can raise funds. Okay. Second comes networking. So fundraising is one part which you have to do. Second is networking. What you will be doing in networking is, once you create your support fundraiser, एक बार आपने आपका support fundraiser बना दिया, आपकी family में सबसे पहले उसको share करना है, because that is somebody जो आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ लेगी और आपको support भी करेगी. Then you go on to your friends, your schools, your college, your office, जो भी आपका circle है, try to convince them that you are supporting a cause and this is the Milap fundraiser, anybody can donate there. Then you can go to common groups like your society. अगर आप कोई township में रहते हो या आपकी कोई building है, उसका WhatsApp group है, you can connect with them, or your office groups. So all these things you can use your connection. You could also collaborate. आप collaborate कर सकते हैं social clubs के साथ, जैसे Lions Club है, Rotary Club है, Inner Wheel Club है. So हमारा reach उससे भी बढ़ सकता है. And we can do programs उनके साथ collaborate करके. So we can work on some events in collaboration. Okay. So that is, and we can use social media, जो new trending options here, like making reels and asking people for funds. So all these things also can be done. So this is how we will be telling you to do networking. We will be giving you step-by-step tasks on every day, 1, day 2 or day 5, what you need to do. Okay. So it is not something that we'll be leaving you as it is. आपको day wise task मिलेगा और आपको decide करना है how you're going to do it. Okay. So what is the procedure for this entire internship? So सबसे first is attending this orientation which you're doing this, or attending in live or recorded session on YouTube. Secondly, if you are sure, आपको समझ में आ गया है कि जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो आप करना चाहते हैं, you have to fill an entry form which makes you accepted for this program. That means once you fill this entry form, you are hired for this internship. Okay. So आपको entry form भरना है. I will show you the link. So this is the registration form for internship. It's a simple Google form which you need to fill with by putting in your full name, mobile number, email ID, gender, your age, location, what is your education qualification. How did you come to know about internship? आपको पता कैसे पड़ा? Are you from Internshala, social media, whatever? आपकी top skills क्या है? And you agree to do that. Okay. आपकी previous internship experience है क्या? And हम आपको क्यों select करें? Why should we select you, or what makes you different? Okay. So this is the simple form which you have to fill. After you fill this form, you will get a link for joining a WhatsApp group. Once you get a link to join a WhatsApp group, all your further communications will happen on the WhatsApp group. So if you have filled the entry form and you're not there in the WhatsApp group, kindly connect with us. We'll add you to the group or write a mail to us. Okay. So the first step is entry form. So Internshala ho, LinkedIn ho, social media ho, kidhar se bhi you want to volunteer, you have to first fill this entry form of internship. Okay. Second, we have to start your sub fundraising, which is the task for day 1, where we give you guidelines कि आपको sub fundraising कैसे करना है. So second, third, fourth, fifth, all these are task based work. हम एक manual बना के देंगे आपको. There'll be a manual for you which will mention tasks day wise, that what you need to do. So the tasks are broken up into first with a sub fundraiser, then social media, doing awareness. You need to talk to 10-15 people and get ideas on the 4 pillars which are working, and all those donors who have donated, उनको आपको share करना है, reposting करना है, उनको thanksgiving करना है. So all these activities we have designed for you, जो आपको करना है. And last is you have to share your testimonial, like what was your experience either fundraising or with this internship, how you felt. If you did a donation drive or distribution drive with us, how was your experience? So a video testimonial needs to be prepared from you, and that has to be uploaded. So this is the brief breakup of what you need to do in this 1 or 2 months of internship. Okay. So what are the timelines for this? So this is the major work. First is the entry form, जो मैंने आपको दिखाया entry form. Second is work, detailed हम work list we will be uploading on WhatsApp. Also one manual will be given to you. वहाँ पे day wise work भी दिया रहेगा. Then third is work as per the instructions and the timeline. So every work जो भी हम task देते हैं, that will not be कि आज का आज ही करना है. Okay, so maybe you have exams, you have some functions, you're not well, that's okay. So we give you complete flexibility in that terms, but you need to track your work, whether you are going by the manual, whether you are completing at least 80% of the tasks. Okay, and then exit form. So first is the entry form, and then is the last exit form, which is a Google form. After you've done your internship, you have to tell us that how much. So I will just open you to the link also to the exit form. Form I will not be showing you right now because everybody will go and fill that then. So exit form is a simple form which says what was your link of your sub fundraiser, how much target were you able to achieve. अगर आपने target नहीं achieve किया, what was your experience, आपको क्या problem हुई fundraise करने में, आपने क्या दूसरा काम किया है, आपका testimonial video upload करना है और आपको एक photograph upload करना है. And once after we verify this, हम आपको certificate issue करेंगे based on your performance. We'll be giving you grades. So once you have filled this exit form, we will be giving you certificate within 7 to 8 days from our NGO. Okay, this is what the procedure is. So let me first tell you the rules, simple rules जो हम which we believe that everybody should follow, or say there will be no confusion, and everything can go in a smooth way. So all information should be shared by WhatsApp or Internshala chat box. So whatever information we are giving to you would be either by WhatsApp or Internshala chat box or emails. Okay, we are not going to call you personally ki why are you not doing that. No, all this thing. So there are two types of WhatsApp group. One is admin only group, which you all are part now, जहाँ पे only we tell the orientation link, where we just share the orientation link. So that is the admin only group. Once you have decided that you want to join, you have filled the entry form, you can leave the admin only group. Okay, and then you join the final interns group, where it is open for all, where we all exchange queries, हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, एक दूसरे की problem समझते हैं, and we work together. Okay, then you shall be given tasks to perform with instruction in the group itself at regular intervals. So as I said earlier, group में ही आपको सारे टास्क मिलेंगे. अभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपने जब ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया ऑलरेडी 2 या 3 टास्क हो चुके हैं, बिकॉज एक राउंड ऑफ इंटर्न्स ऑलरेडी अप्लाई कर चुके हैं. तो वी विल रिपीट फॉर यू, नो प्रॉब्लम, एंड वील गिव यू अ पीडीएफ जिसमें सारा कुछ लिखा रहेगा. Also, do not call and ask for any queries unless and until it is very urgent, which I don't feel that is the case. You can WhatsApp in the group, or you can personally WhatsApp me. I'll be the admin for the group. But even WhatsApp करने के 1 day बाद भी अगर मैंने reply नहीं किया, then I could, I can understand that you can call me. Otherwise, all these things would be taken care on WhatsApp itself. Okay. Fill the entry form only if you're interested, and you shall be able to do the task. So what happens, आप अभी excitement में entry form भर देते हो, and in the middle you think that I can't raise funds, or I can't do this, I can't devote time. So don't waste your time, your energy, and also our time and our energy. Okay, so fill it only when you're 100% sure. So आप बाद में भी भर सकते हैं. It is not something कि आपको आज ही इसको करना है. Take your own time, no problem, no problem. Maintain data and screenshots of all the tasks you are giving, you are given and you need to do. So जो भी आप है उसको आप maintain करो. Fill exit form once you have achieved the target and completed the task in the 2 months timeline. Wait for at least 7 days to get your certificate and letter of recommendation. Okay, so once you've applied, don't expect that we'll give it to you in 1 day itself. Kindly wait for 7 days. And no posting irrelevant messages or forwards or good morning, okay ma'am, thank you ma'am. What happens is group का जो original communication है वो चला जाता है. So I request no posting irrelevant messages, forwards in the group. You'll be strictly removed and banned from the internship in spite if you do that after telling or warning you. Okay, so maintain privacy. No unnecessary messaging other participants. Group में सबका number है, आप किसको भी message कर रहे हो, hi, how are you, not allowed. Whatever you need to connect, please do it on the group. Okay. And if somebody is doing this messaging to privately to some other volunteers or something like that, you are welcome to complain. You can drop a screenshot on me on private, and I will be taking strict actions against them, and I'm warning you before itself. Okay. Hashtags. So hashtags are very trending right now on social media, whether it is Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn. So we have generated a set of hashtags which you'll be using for every posting. So compulsory hashtags जो हमारे पास है वो है प्रोजेक्ट लाडली, इंटर्नशाला, पगारिया WF, which stands for पगारिया वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन, एंड मेंस्ट्रुएशन. सो ये 4 हैशटैग्स आपको हर पोस्ट में डालना है, एंड द ऑप्शनल हैशटैग्स वी लीव इट अप टू यू. आपको कुछ भी डालना है तो डाल सकते हो, नहीं तो ऑप्शनल है. ओके. So सारे links, all important links are mentioned in this link. So let me open this link for you. So this is a Linktree link for Project Ladli. Let me open this over here. Okay, if you just open this, एक ऐसा पेज open होगा. This link can be accessed with our Instagram page also. So Instagram पे Project Ladli ढूंढोगे तो यहाँ पे Linktree Project Ladli. So if you open that, it will be saying, why is this not working? I think there is some error. One second. Okay, I will just take you to later on. So all these links will be mentioned. So let us go with an FAQ first. Let me clear all these questions और फिर मैं आपके साथ question answer round. So I'll be taking you a question answer round with you. So where we can watch the intern orientation session. So orientation session is available on our YouTube channel of Bagaria Welfare Foundation. Link will be mentioned there also and in the Linktree website also. So आप वहाँ पे भी जाके orientation session you can watch it again if you have any doubts. How do we know that we are selected? हमें कैसे पता पड़ेगा कि हम select हो गए हैं? And will we receive an offer letter? So you are selected if आपने हमारा orientation video live attend किया है या recording देखा है. So you have attended or watched it online. You have filled the entry form for internship, and your status on Internshala will be changed to hired if you're appointed from Internshala. It may take some time to update. And since it is a volunteering activity, there is no offer letter which we will be issuing. This is a pure volunteering opportunity. There is no salary, no stipend offered for this program. Okay, so iske liye there will be no offer letter. Just that you have filled an entry form, you are selected for this. Okay. What is the title of this internship? So it's called Project Ladli Leaders. You can update this title on your LinkedIn profile also and attach the certificate. जब आपका internship हो जाता है, आपको जब certificate मिलेगा वो आप LinkedIn पे upload भी कर सकते हो और आपके CV में भी add कर सकते हो कि आपने Project Ladli के साथ internship किया था. Okay? How do we know what work we have to do? So we will be giving you a manual, as I said, day wise, task 1, task 2, task 3, and core areas रहेंगे हमारे fundraising, networking, awareness, and social media marketing. This will be our core areas. Okay. How much duration we have to work? हमें कितने time के लिए काम करना होगा? क्या ऐसा हो सकता है that I raise 3,000 rupees in one day and I can get a certificate? No. So you have to work minimum for 1 month and 2 months. So 1 or 2 months depending on the case, but we prefer 2 months to get more experience, or else 1 month is also fine. Work to be done even if you are achieved your fundraising target. So if on the first day itself you have raised 3,000 rupees, that doesn't mean that aap kaam karna band kar do or you stop working and you just go and apply for the certificate. No, you have to do other work also. Fundraising is just one part. ये सिर्फ एक part है, ना कि the only thing in the internship. Okay? Fundraising compulsory. क्या fundraise करना compulsory है? If you ask me, fundraise को try करना compulsory है. हम target achieve करें नहीं करें, that is different. So everyone has to try. You will not learn anything unless and until you have tried. So everyone has to try. Everyone has to create a sub fundraiser link. You have not achieved the target, that's absolutely not a problem. So you can create a fundraiser, posters बना के fundraising कर सकते हो. सबसे अच्छा तरीका है fundraise करने का through a sub fundraiser on Milab because tracking is easier. ठीक है? And we will see your efforts, how you're trying to raise funds. We will see आपने कितने post बना के share किए हैं, लोगों को convince किया है कि आप मेरे fundraiser को support करो. We will see your efforts, not the amount of money you have raised. Obviously that is important. बट अगर आपने टारगेट नहीं भी अचीव किया बट आपने सब्सटेंशियली काम किया है टू अचीव द टारगेट, you will be qualified for doing the work for fundraising. Okay, and it will be a learning experience for you. Just go for it, don't think too much. What if we are not able to raise funds of 3,000? Will we get a certificate? अगर हमने 3,000 रुपए रेज नहीं किए तो हमें सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा क्या? So जैसे कि मैंने बोला फंड रेजिंग एक कोर पिलर है. We will see your efforts you have put for the same, or every intern will be assessed personally by me and grades will be given as per your contribution. So not the contribution of money, contribution of your efforts. So if your efforts are there that you try to raise funds, you are eligible for the certificate. But अगर आपने कुछ नहीं किया है, just बैठे हो और group में और okay डाल रहे हो, that doesn't mean that you will be giving a certificate. No, you have to try, you have to show your efforts. Okay. What if we finish fundraising in 4 to 5 days? What should we do बाकी time? So बाकी time क्या करना है? You have to do the other work. You have to complete all the tasks. You can help us prepare content. आप online sessions ले सकते हो menstrual hygiene पे. We can train you for that. आप distribution drives कर सकते हो. तो बहुत कुछ काम है जो आप कर सकते हो. You can come up with your own ideas. You can tell ma'am, we can do this. We can try this. Okay. So this is not something that only fundraising is done and you're done with the internship. Okay. What if I want to donate distribution pad in the area or city where I stay? Can we use the fund we have raised for the same? तो ऐसा भी एक सवाल आ सकता है कि मैम मैंने 5,000 रुपए रेज कर लिए हैं एंड आई स्टे इन अ स्मॉल विलेज इन ओडिशा और मुझे यहाँ पे ही लेडीज और लड़कियों को पैड बांटना है, तो क्या ये पॉसिबल है? यस, डेफिनेटली पॉसिबल है। पहले आपको एक हमारा रिक्वेस्ट फॉर्म भरना होगा जहाँ पे आप डिटेल्स दोगे कि आपको किधर पैड बांटना है या किस चीज की जरूरत है और कितनी क्वांटिटी है या कितने लेडीज और वुमेन है जिनको आप सपोर्ट करना चाहते हो। ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो पैसा हम आपने जो फंड रेज किया वही देंगे, वी कैन गिव फ्रॉम आवर पूल फंड आल्सो एंड यू हैव टू मेंशन अ फोन नंबर ऑफ 1 or 2 बेनिफिशियरीज जिसको आप देना चाहते हो, जिससे हम वेरीफाई कर सके कि वहां सच में वो चीज की जरूरत है या नहीं है। तो अगर वहां पे कोई गांव का सरपंच है उसका नंबर दे दीजिए, कोई आशा वर्कर है उसका नंबर दे दीजिए, या आपकी मेड उस एरिया में रहती है उसका नंबर दे दीजिए, और इफ देयर इज एन एनजीओ हु इज वर्किंग ऑन ग्राउंड उसका नंबर दे दीजिए। So you have to give some referral and phone number of some person with whom we'll verify, and if we are satisfied, we will send pads or we will buy pads locally from there and distribute it. And you can go and do the distribution also, and you can share the photos and videos with us. Okay. So request form का link भी दिया है, so you can use that form to do that. मैम when can we apply for completion? आप completion के लिए कब अप्लाई कर सकते हो? जब आपने टारगेट अचीव कर लिया है या फिर आपका लेवल बेस्ट दिया है वो टारगेट अचीव करने के लिए और आप नहीं कर पाए बाय एनी रीजन, यू हैव परफॉर्म्ड ऑल और मेजोरिटी ऑफ द टास्क एज पर द मैनुअल। तो जो इंटर्न का मैनुअल है उसके ऑलमोस्ट सारे या मेजोरिटी ऑफ द टास्क आपने कर लिए हैं, मिनिमम 1 month आपने काम किया है उसके ऊपर और आपने वो सर्टिफिकेशन फॉर्म भर दिया है जिसमें आपने आपका टेस्टिमोनियल वीडियो डाला है। So without the testimonial video, we will not be issuing you certificate. Okay? तो आपको अपना एक वीडियो बनाना है एक्सपीरियंस का. It could be just 1 minute also. कोई भी लैंग्वेज में, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, बंगाली, मारवाड़ी, मराठी, no problem. What was your experience working? How did you feel? Did you feel you made any impact? कुछ भी आप वीडियो बना के आपको अपलोड करना है. Once that form is complete, we will assess you and give you a certificate. Okay. So हमारा target for this fundraising is mission 1 million, which is 10 lakh, और 3,000 per leader हमें raise करना है minimum. And everybody of you is a leader. You all are Ladli leader champions, and I am very proud that we have such a team with whom we'll be working. So we believe that alone we can do so little. हम अकेले बहुत कम कर सकते हैं, but साथ में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. So with this thought of Helen Keller, that alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. I officially conclude my presentation and I give you an option to unmute yourself and ask your queries. Okay, so let me just stop the screen share. You can also write your questions in the chat box if you feel अगर आपको बोलना नहीं है तो I will answer the questions. Okay, go ahead. जिसने भी hand raise किया था, you can unmute yourself and ask your queries. Or you can write your queries in the chat box. मैम हमें जो सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा वो कितने क्रेडिट का होगा? नॉट अबाउट क्रेडिट, हम उसमें ड्यूरेशन लिखेंगे, आपने कितने महीनों के लिए काम किया हमारे साथ, और आपकी ग्रेड्स लिखेंगे, दैट व्हाट वर द ग्रेड्स, लाइक हाउ वाज योर परफॉर्मेंस, इट वाज एवरेज, गुड, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट, सैटिस्फैक्टरी. एंड इफ अगर आप बहुत अच्छा वॉलंटियरिंग कर रहे हो, इंटर्न्स कर रहे हो, वी हैव स्पेशल अवार्ड्स फॉर दैट आल्सो, सो वो भी हम मेंशन करेंगे सर्टिफिकेट में. हमको फंड रेज करने के लिए क्राउड कहाँ से मिलेगी? क्वेश्चन ऑफ अर्चित. So crowd is your network. तो पहले हम आपको नेटवर्किंग सिखाएंगे, देन आपको आपके नेटवर्क यूज करके फंड रेजिंग करना है. ओके, सो जो आपका एग्जिस्टिंग नेटवर्क है वो, और एग्जिस्टिंग नेटवर्क को बढ़ाएंगे एंड वी विल यूज दैट फॉर फंड रेजिंग. यस, एनीबडी एल्स?
Ma'am, I have one question. So basically, if we have exams and you are allotting us some task and we are not able to do on that very same day,
Yes.
is it okay?
Yes, absolutely okay. So as I said, we give you complete flexibility. This is a virtual internship. ये मतलब सारी virtual है, ऐसा आपको यहाँ मेरे ऑफिस में आके काम करना है ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. So this is virtual and even like 2-3 days, 4 days is fine. And tasks are not difficult that will take 1 hour to do. They are hardly simple tasks which can be done in maximum 15 minutes. Like, we will share a poster with you which you have to share, or tag 5 friends on it, or tag 5 influencers on it. So every detail will be mentioned to you, and that can be done easily with your smartphone. So that doesn't mean that आपको laptop ही चाहिए to do the work. So we give complete flexibility on that. And even if there is a gap of 5 days also, no problem, no problem. But make sure
Okay.
ग्रुप में एवरी डे द टास्क कम, आप उसको सेव करके रख लो, दैट डे 1 पे मुझे ये करना है, डे 2 पे ये करना है, और हम मैनुअल भी देंगे जिसमें डे वाइज मेंशन होगा. So don't worry on that. We give you that complete freedom because काम आपको करना है as per your availability.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. I didn't get where we will be collecting the funds or sending the funds. So Pooja, Gola, can you just explain the question again?
Yes, ma'am. That like you show us the platform, Milan platform.
Lab
So
हाँ.
we will be giving the personal link for us.
Yes, yes.
That's why I'm asking that where we will collect the funds that we'll raise.
Okay, so the funds you raise वो आपके बैंक अकाउंट में नहीं आएंगे, वो हमारे फाउंडेशन के बैंक अकाउंट में ही आएंगे. इट इज जस्ट कि रेफरल लिंक की वजह से आप ट्रैक कर सकते हो कि आपने कितना फंड रेज किया आपके लिंक से. तो अमाउंट हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में आएगा, हम उससे पैड्स और क्लॉथ पैड्स खरीद के अलग अलग जगह भेजेंगे फॉर डोनेशन.
Yes, ma'am. So we have to share your link.
No, you have to share your own personal link. आप आपका एक सब फंडरेजर, सपोर्ट फंडरेजर बनाएंगे. तो आपका लिंक भेजोगे तो इजी होगा हमें ट्रैक करना, और आपको भी पता पड़ेगा कि कितने लोगों ने आपको सपोर्ट किया है.
ओके मैम. तो मैम ये बताया जाएगा कैसे बनाना है ये लिंक
हाँ,
क्या?
I will just show it once again if you allow me to just hold on. मैं आपको फिर से एक बार बताती हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है. सो दिस इज द मेन फंडरेजर, ठीक है, सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट लाडली ऑन मिलाप. व्हेन यू गो देयर डाउन, आपको पहले मिलाप पे अपना एक अकाउंट करना है. यहाँ पे लॉगिन में जाकर मोबाइल नंबर से ओटीपी से आप आपका अकाउंट लॉगिन कर सकते हो. और यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है गेट अ सपोर्ट फंडरेजर. यू हैव टू क्लिक हियर. यहाँ पे आपका लिमिट है और यहाँ पे नाम डालना है. सिंपली नाम डालो, लाइफ कोच, फिर से प्रोजेक्ट लाडली, ऐसे सब नाम मत डालो. पुट योर नेम, सरनेम विद अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ नंबर इफ यू वांट, और सबमिट करोगे ना तो लिंक जनरेट हो जाता है. सो मिलाप.org फंडरेजर #priyajain124. सो ये लिंक आपको शेयर करनी है. So when you share this link, all the donations which come, I can track that Priya की तरफ से कितने donations आए. Also, अगर गलती से किसी ने मेरे ओरिजिनल फंडरेजर को डोनेट कर दिया है, ओके, तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आप हमें मेल कर सकते हो स्क्रीनशॉट के साथ, ये जो डोनर ने पैसा दिया है ये मेरे थ्रू आया है और दिस इज माय कनेक्शन, यू कंसिडर दिस फॉर माय फंडरेजर. तो वो मैं एडिट कर लूंगी मेरे बैक एंड पे. दूसरी चीज विच आई वांट टू टेल यू इज व्हेनेवर योर डोनर्स आर डोनेटिंग, यहाँ पे मिनिमम अमाउंट का आता है बाय डिफॉल्ट. सो 100 इज द मिनिमम अमाउंट, बट देयर वन बाय डिफॉल्ट अमाउंट which comes 500 or 2000. So make sure you tell your donor. आप आपके डोनर को बोलो अमाउंट डबल चेक कर ले, फिर रिफंड नहीं मिलेगा मिला आपसे. तो इवन इफ अगर आपको 150 रुपीज देना है, नो प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आता है इंक्लूडेड. So this tip doesn't form part of money which comes to me. ये टिप मिलाप को जाती है. ये 15% बाय डिफॉल्ट कैलकुलेट होती है. ये आपको जीरो करनी है. में जाकर जीरो. You have to tell your donors.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, you have to tell your donors that do not pay any tip. Like if they want to pay, that's a different thing. But it should not happen कि आपने tip दिया है and that tip goes to Milap. It doesn't form part of the fundraising. Okay, so आपका fundraiser उतने amount से increase नहीं होगा. So make sure आप जब भी आपके friend को बोलो donate. So enter the amount. If I am assuming 500, so it calculates a tip of 75 rupees. So that is not, मतलब ऑप्शनल है वो, तो क्यों भरना है आपको. आप उसको अदर करके जीरो कर सकते हो. एंड देन यू कैन नेट बैंकिंग, Amazon, Paytm, UPI, बैंक ट्रांसफर जो भी है. कंटिन्यू टू पे ₹500. ये उतना ही होना चाहिए जो आपने इधर लिखा है. If I write like this, अगर mention करूंगी तो टिपिक कैलकुलेट हो जाता है 690. तो इसमें से सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट लाडली को 600 रुपीज ही मिलेगा. 90 रुपीज विल गो टू मिलाप. सो मेक श्योर आप इसको 0 मेंशन करें. ओके, and you tell your donors to do that, so it will be just 600. Okay, let me just
मैम अगर कोई डोनेट कर रहा है तो वो मिनिमम कितना अमाउंट डोनेट कर सकते हैं?
minimum मिला पे लिमिट है 100, तो आप 101 कर सकते हो.
Ma'am, I have a question that I'm not getting that from where we will get the crowd to make this fundraising.
Okay.
I am having a doubt this that will you provide the data of the people and I have to convince that people to fundraise or something like that,
Okay,
or the crowd will be totally mine.
Okay, जिसने भी एंड डोनेट किया है, kindly remove that. So your question is very valid. We will not be giving you a database. No, ये आपको आपके ही friend circle, networks, family, society, office, group, उसमें fundraising का detail share करना है. So with WhatsApp, I think that is pretty easier. You have to use your own circle only. So we are not going to share any database with you that you have to go and connect your donors. So nothing on that sort. Whatever will happen on your individual efforts. And there is one question of Neha, ma'am, if you are unable to raise 3000, is it okay? जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया, absolutely okay, but आपको efforts डालनी है. ऐसा इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप सब fundraiser नहीं डालो, आप हमारे tasks नहीं करो. We will see that how much efforts you have put. आपके efforts को देख के हम आपको grading देंगे. So that is absolutely okay. अगर आपने 2000 ही किया, 3000 नहीं किया, या even 500 किया, no problem. But at least you tried, you learned, you did your efforts. You tried your level best. That is what we want to see.
Ma'am,
Yes.
will you be involving us throughout the drive when you go on a drive to distribute the things that we've bought or the things that you have bought and to distribute it to the people who are not able to get those things on their own?
Okay. So very good question. What's your name, dear?
Yanshi.
Okay, so see, we all are from different parts of India. So some drives we have fixed partners. So once we are done with the logistics, we order the pads. The pad reach that area. I will be putting in the group that we are having a drive in this part of village. If anybody is there nearby, they can go and join. We'll arrange. Or else, अगर आप खुद drive कर रहे हो, for example, which part of India do you stay, dear?
Mumbai, Borivali.
अच्छा, बोरीवली. Okay, so in Mumbai usually we don't do, but बोरीवली के आसपास if it is Palghar or Dahanu, those tribal parts, there if you are doing a drive, we can ask you to go if you are comfortable, and you can also take a lead of a drive wherein we will be arranging pads to you at बोरीवली, और आपको जाके हम अगर बताएंगे कि ये villages है nearby और आपको वहाँ पे बांटना है तो वो कर सकते हैं. और if you know any connections, you have to fill a request form. So going on drive is completely optional because of this COVID. I don't want to take any risk with anybody of you. So we have our partners on ground जिनके साथ हम काम करते हैं with Sampurna Shiksha team, Joyful Gifting team, and through them we get the distribution done. Even if you want to volunteer, you can let me know with your locations and you can put that in the comment in the form when you're filling. We will see how we can trace it. No problem. और अगर आप request form भर रहे हो that you want to lead a drive, then obviously you are a part of it.
Ma'am, as per Project Ladli, there are also many NGOs that I've been to or I know about nearby Andheri or Bandra or somewhere, and where the kids, there are very little children there, and people like us, if we donate money, instead of donating money, they ask us to get goods. Say suppose which includes Bonvita for the children or milk or mop that are required to clean the place, or which is involved for their welfare. So how do we do that? So do we actually donate it to the NGOs or only the rural areas?
No, we work in coordination with both NGOs or volunteers in rural areas, but that is our decision. We don't tell anybody that you will be going and donating Bonvita or something. That is we decide on case-to-case basis. So usually don't work for the urban slum communities like Bandra, Andheri, Borivali. No, that's strictly because there are a lot of people doing it here. So our focus is morely rural and tribal. So if you feel there is other requirement also, you can put that in the request form. We'll see how we can fulfill that also.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
if one is not interested in fundraising and want to participate in other activities like networking and leading this online session and something like that, then what is the is it possible or not?
It is possible, but telling that you're not interested जब तक आपने try की है fundraising कभी?
No, I haven't, ma'am.
Okay, so I will just give you a suggestion that at least you give it a try, give your 100 best. Don't think that how I'm going to raise, and this is I've been telling in like from the start of this presentation that we see your efforts, not the amount of money you've got it. So be very sure on that. At least up Seco, that will be a learning experience for you. In emergency, if you want to raise funds for some medical emergency for somebody or anything, you should know how to crowdfund on these platforms, what are the options, and how we can reach out to the people. Because जहाँ पे भी हम ये posting करेंगे, like as you said, you want to learn networking, but when we're doing networking, we require you to post your own sub fundraiser link only. So if you're not doing fundraising at all, everything is connected to them. So I would request that you follow the tasks and do your best and leave the rest. Whatever happens, we will see. Don't worry about that. But you have to give your 100%.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. There's one.
Ma'am,
yeah.
So in case if I fill the form in next 2 to 3 days, when will I get to know that when did my internship actually got started?
So the start date is usually the date we have created the sub fundraiser, because that's the first task we give to everyone, because everything is linked to that fundraiser. Like आपको posting भी करना है तो वो link आएगा, LinkedIn पे भी post करना है वो link आएगा. So the day you have created your first fundraiser is the day you have started your work. So even if you join the group and you have some commitments, आपने start नहीं किया, no problem. So 1 to 5 days here and there, it's not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम फंडरेजिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए अब सपोज वी आर हैविंग एन आईडी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, तो हमें उस पर अपना कंटेंट शेयर करके लोगों को अवेयर करना है, इस तरह का काम करना है फंडरेजिंग के लिए, एंड वी हैव टू स्टार्ट सेइंग टू family and relatives that हम ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं. So if we are having a face-to-face conversation with the members, how would you get to know that we have done those efforts? If they are not they are not willing to share some amount, but we have done our efforts, then would you get to that?
Yes. So one of our tasks is you have to talk to your 15 members on call and tell them or ask their ideas. So that is one of the tasks. So obviously we rely on trust on that. मैं अभी आपको उसका screenshot तो नहीं मांग सकती कि आपका audio call बताओ कितने मिनट बात किया. Obviously.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, that we rely on your self certification कि आपने वो tasks किए हैं.
Okay, those 15 numbers will give us,
no,
or
that
we
will
have
be
to arrange it?
yours.
Okay.
Yes. Nowhere we are going to give you a database. No, because we're not a company जिसके पास बहुत सारा data है and all that. No, we want you to connect with your circle. Let people know that you are also doing internship for a cause or connecting with a cause. And yes, there'll be people who will be come out to help you.
Okay, if someone wanted to raise the fund, so we should give our link which is been created.
Yes.
And that link they would go through and they'll just pay the amount.
Yes. So what happens, I can track on the back end that whatever your name is. So if, for example, if you're Priya, so through Priya, you have generated 5,000 rupees. So I can just track with your name. So that is why we're using the portal of Mila, because no other fundraiser gives this sub fundraising opportunity.
Okay. Till 1 month, can we just try to just get over the money? Means extra 3,000, it is a duration time to give.
See, it's not just minimum 1 month. Like if minimum 1 month is something which I feel that everybody needs to work, but we have kept a target of 2 months with Internshala with this summer internship. So 2 months we need to engage you all. So even if there are some people who have achieved this target in just 4 days from day we have started. So that's not a problem, or that's not a hitch we are seeing, because every 3 days we'll be having one task at least.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, what's the use of the letter of recommendation?
That is used. See, certificate, what happens is just two or three lines which are written. When I write in the certificate that, Priya has interned with us and she has performed exceptionally good. But letter of recommendation gives detail of what work you have done. So when somebody is looking to recruit you, they get more detailed opinion from our letterhead that as part of Project Ladli leader, आपने क्या काम किया है.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Anybody else? Any other doubts? Anybody who wants to give any suggestions? What was your feedback?
Ma'am, if one is willing to work hard for the internship, so he or she has to fill the final entry Google form.
Final, which form?
Final Google form.
Final Google form, that is the entry form.
Final,
Entry form, which will be shared to you on the group itself. Once we are done with this orientation, I will share the final entry form. So once you've decided that yes, you are in for it and you want to work for it, you can just fill that form.
The one which was shared on the group, actually it's not working.
I think there is some issue on the Google servers because none of my links are working right now. So that will be solved in some time, no problem. I will just share that link in this group also. Let me see.
Also, ma'am, I wanted to ask, are there going to be any weekly meetings or team projects or anything that we have to do, or it's going to be individually based?
See, there was a group of 2 volunteers, they were best friends, I guess. So they said we'll do fundraising together. And, so I said, then your target has to be 6,000 at least together. So that was one creative idea which I got from the previous team. So if you guys also are having some connections, then you do. But currently it is one-on-one because that becomes very difficult for us to track on the back end. But yes, 1 or 2 cases I can allow. But we'll be having a live session on Insta or Facebook, but we're not sure. Let us first start engaging and come up with the ideas, and maybe we'll all these volunteers will have one session on Zoom regarding after we are done with at least 12 to 15 tasks, and we will see that how we can take this ahead. So all the suggestions and all will be open in the group, and we can just take the decision. So there is no hard and fast rule for anything.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? Okay. So should I end this orientation? Anybody else who wants to ask something?
I had a question.
Yes,
if you could
yes.
answer.
Yes.
So nowadays there are a lot of people, I'm not saying you're fraud, but there are a lot of people who form these fraud links and NGOs in which they don't have physically, they don't have any proof, but online they create in such a way that you will not even realize they're fraud. So how do people trust while investing their money? So suppose if I'm a person who's fundraising,
correct.
How do I convince people to invest for a good cause and explain them that it is not a fraud and it's totally genuine what we're doing?
Okay, very good question, dear. So firstly, Milap has done the due diligence. So on the paperwork side, we are a valid registered NGO with this PAN card and certificate of registration, and everything has been uploaded on the Milap's portal. And money which Milap gives us is only on the basis of the invoices we send. So SE I cannot withdraw. So even if I raise 10 lakh, that doesn't mean that 10 lakh I can withdraw in my account. I have to submit the invoices for that. So obviously, there can be some errors in that also. So we have to submit invoices for buying the sanitary pads and how we are going to use that funds we have raised. And on the Mila portal itself, on that fundraiser, we'll be updating story that, you know, the pads have been ordered. Now they are offered distribution. This is what we've done, the distribution, how many people distribution we have done. So all those things we update on the fundraiser itself so that people can go and see there. And also we are planning that every 10 to 15 days, we'll share a report of how many distributions we have done. Because currently, because of COVID, I have ordered pads for the rural locations, but it's been 10 days that they've not reached them. So that may take some time also for us to utilize these funds. As and when it goes, I will be sharing the photos and a write-up in the group, which you can share it with your donors. And I staying in Mumbai, I personally don't go on every drive. Otherwise, I could have gone, you know, Facebook Live and, you know, done that, that we are doing a distribution here and there. But we have a very good connections on the on-ground teams in the rural parts where we want to support. So this is our plan of action. And if you think we should do something more to engage the trust of the donors, I'm very well open for that, because that is something which is very important, that we have to be transparent with the donors and we have to build their trust and gain their trust.
So can I give a suggestion?
Yes, sure.
So maybe weekly basis, when these donors, they donate money for Project Ladli.
Yes.
So on weekly basis, can we involve them in our meetings? Say suppose how much we have distributed, or what is the amount that was collected this week, and how much distribution is supposed to be done. So maybe they'll also realize that we're doing it genuinely and not just collecting money and putting it somewhere else.
Okay, nice suggestion, noted. But maybe 1 week is too short, because, you know, Milap, we've raised, for example, now we've raised 60. I have to get the approvals, withdraw the funds. That funds come to my bank account. Then I go and order pads. Then the pads go and reach. So maybe 15, or every month we can have one donor meet or something, or we can have a presentation, which if the donors can't attend also, it can be shared with the donors. So the best idea which Team Milap and Internshala have said us, that update it on the fundraiser itself, ताकि जिसको भी देखना है fundraiser पे जाके सब check कर सकता है. You know, we do that. And otherwise we can go live and have a Zoom session also, no problem. Or we can have 2 or 3 interns who will help us to do this. So I will be helping them with the numbers and everything, and you guys can have a meeting and I'll be there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
There is a suggestion.
Yes.
Can we work on graphic designing of Instagram page of Project Ladli?
Yes, yes.
Share those posts or stories on our personal IDs of Instagram. People would be willing to donate to the personal cause.
Yes, yes, definitely. Oh, who was speaking, because I could not get them?
Mansi.
Rajeshri, right?
Mansi.
Mansi. Can you just be a little loud?
Can we, as interns, work on graphic designing of
Yes,
Instagram?
yes. So you can definitely work. You can help me in designing the creatives, and currently the page is just designed by me, and we are looking forward from if you feel you're very professional at it and you can have great content, so 1 or 2 posters, or, you know, the stories can be designed by you, and we'll be sharing it in the group, and everybody will be sharing that, and we'll give you the credit for designing.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So whoever this was, just connect me on personal message with your profile, okay? I'm the admin for the group. You can get my number from there. Okay, anything else? I'm just sharing the link of the form in the group itself in 2 minutes. Once I end this, I'm also sharing it in the chat box. Okay. So thank you for the patient listening and coming up for this great, supporting for this great cause. And I'm all excited to have you all on board. And together, I think we will definitely create a lot of difference and impact. And it will be a great learning experience for yourself as well. So don't think that you are trying to help others. You are helping yourself first by doing such internship for social cause. You will learn a lot of things. That's my promise for you. And thank you for joining. Stay safe and do connect me if you have any queries. Okay. Bye-bye.